Toro timecutter ss4225 won't start. Replaced battery, same result on key turn, you hear a click. Starter does not engage.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes. I stopped the mower to do some work, then it wouldn't restart. Checked fuses, starter motor doesn't engage on key turn.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Possibly.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, thank you for allowing me to assist you. My name is Joe and I will be happy to help you with your concern today. Please bear with me for just a minute while I form my reply to you. A click is usually a bad battery / weak battery or poor / bad connection. Could also be a bad starter. Check for 12V out of starter solenoid when cranking going to starter. If you have 12V out, check all connections, starter to solenoid and solenoid to battery, powers, and grounds from battery to motor. If all good, clean and tight, check starter. If getting good power and ground but starter not engaging, then replace starter. Thank you. Bonuses are appreciated. Rating is the only way the question completes, and without rating it is still an active question. If for any reason you are not satisfied, please reply back to me for further assistance, to which I will be glad to help you. If you have any problems for any reason, please reply back and let me know. Thanks again for using JustAnswer and have a great day.
How do I check the starter? Do I have to remove it and supply it with 12V to see if it turns?
No reason to really bench test yet. Simply perform the checks I explained, and if starter is getting good ground and power when trying to start and yet not engaging, then you know there's a problem with the starter. Then you can bench test if you like. Note, if bench testing with a higher cranking amp battery, it may allow it to work when it is weak and not working on the factory system. Thanks, Joe.
12 volts in all places, including at the starter. Starter won't turn. If it were a car, I'd replace the starter.
Check that amperage is enough and that ground is good at starter. Also check contacts / connections are tight and not loose, as you could have 12V but a bad connection. Then last step, bench test starter and replace if bad. You can try tapping on starter while trying to start and see if it engages as well, which usually means it's bad. Thanks, Joe.
All connections are good. Battery is new and delivering amp. Starter is grounded to the frame. I'm about to remove it.
In that case, I would be doing the same thing and bench testing, then replacing. Thanks, Joe.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.